video of learning how to use Fusion 360, we will be covering how to navigate the HUD and what every button does. So let's get right into it. So first and foremost, the most useful thing is moving around your camera. So these two buttons are the main ones you're going to use, the orbit button and the pan button. The orbit button will be used to look around and change angles, and the pan button will be used to, of course, pan your camera, but at the same height. Also, for navigation, you can use this cube up here. You can press top, back, or whatever angle you need to look at. And of course, you can change again using orbit. Okay, the next button we will be covering is the sketch button. And in our next video, we will be covering how to properly sketch a drawing. The next button is extruding, which is being able to create your sketch into an actual body. So these are the two most important ones. And this button, the whole button, of course, makes your body, after you extrude it, it makes a hole in your body. And you can look through every single one of these buttons in here. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you learned how to navigate the HUD in this video and the key major buttons used in Fusion 360.